Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm. But what exactly is cryptocurrency? And more importantly, is it worth your hard-earned money? Imagine a world where you don't need banks to transfer money. That's the idea behind cryptocurrency. It's a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. With more people using and investing in cryptocurrencies, it's becoming an important part of the financial landscape. However, like any investment, there are risks involved. In this essay, we'll break down the basics of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is often described as digital money. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity, like a bank or government, controls it. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was the first, but now there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies. Ethereum, for example, is another popular cryptocurrency that offers more than just a way to send money. It allows developers to create decentralized applications, known as dApps, on its platform. The way cryptocurrencies work is by using a technology called blockchain. A blockchain is a public ledger that records all transactions made with a particular cryptocurrency. This ledger is distributed across many computers, making it very secure and transparent. Cryptocurrencies can be used for various purposes, from quick payments to investments. Each of these uses has its own set of benefits and risks. Understanding how cryptocurrency works can be a bit challenging, but let's break it down. At its core, cryptocurrency relies on blockchain technology. Think of the blockchain as a digital ledger book. Every time someone makes a transaction using cryptocurrency, it gets recorded in this ledger. This process is secure and transparent, making it hard to hack or alter. Each transaction is verified by a network of computers around the world. These computers are called miners. Miners use their computing power to solve complex mathematical problems that verify transactions. When a problem is solved, the transaction is added to the blockchain, and the miner is rewarded with a small amount of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets. A wallet can be an app on your smartphone, a piece of hardware, or even a piece of paper with a printed QR code. The private key is like a password that allows you to access and manage your cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency has several potential benefits. One of the most appealing is the possibility of high returns. Bitcoin, for example, was worth just a few cents when it was first created, but it has reached values of tens of thousands of dollars. Another advantage is the ease of transactions. Cryptocurrency transactions can be made quickly and with low fees, especially compared to traditional banking methods. This makes it ideal for international transfers or for making purchases online. Cryptocurrencies also offer a level of privacy. While transactions are recorded on the blockchain, the identities of the people involved are not. Finally, investing in cryptocurrency allows you to diversify your portfolio. Despite the potential benefits, there are also significant risks associated with investing in cryptocurrency. One of the biggest concerns is volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate wildly in a short period. While this can lead to high returns, it can also result in substantial losses. Another issue is security. While the blockchain technology behind cryptocurrencies is very secure, the platforms and wallets used to store and trade them are not always as safe. There have been numerous instances of exchanges being hacked, resulting in the loss of millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency. Regulation is another concern. Cryptocurrencies operate in a relatively unregulated environment. This can lead to fraud and scams. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and future regulations could impact their value and usability. It's essential to do thorough research and, if possible, consult with a financial advisor before investing in cryptocurrency. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, the key is to be informed. Start by researching different cryptocurrencies and understanding how they work. Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a high-risk, high-reward investment, cryptocurrency might be suitable for you. However, if you're more risk-averse, you might want to limit your exposure to this volatile market. Use reputable platforms and wallets to buy and store your cryptocurrency. Make sure to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your investments. By doing your homework and staying vigilant, you can make a more informed decision about whether cryptocurrency is worth your money.